Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is back in the network with the series of the new images that depict a clearly cloned device. Unfortunately, images of a real prototype to date are not yet available, but the Chinese have largely carried on proceeding with the sale of the new top range even before the company has announced it. So do not let it get in the grain. The one shown is just a fake phone. The first thing that you notice immediately is that the display, while having rounded corners, is really bad. The frames are huge, the lower one more than all. The two side edges of the original also have far too thick frames. In the back, the dual cameras is really strange, although here perhaps the similarities with the original are more pronounced. The side sensor of the detecting heartbeats is also present. The thickness of the device is then too marked. Another clue that leads us to think that it is a fake. Of course, the fact that the top range is not available on the market must also be added, as they may already be on sale. These devices should cost a maximum of €100.